Okay. Emana otena Mathias nabalo nwa baby virgin. Every day nwa baby virgin anafio. Nwa baby virgin anafio and ana amatu oruko gono ka na-ekwu duka odunolu. Go. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi has followed Mathias to Enugu. So Mathias come to Enugu. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is looking for you in Enugu. Emari feni na he chole igwa ye. Emari feni na ozini na he na-esi n'ikuku ezijenie. Osego bia today no na Nsukka. Bia na Nsukka ebia zie ozini na. He is live and direct in Enugu, in Nsukka, Enugu State, Nigeria. Je back, je meet him man to man. Go there and meet him man to man. Go. Kiwe malona mmadụ na aka ibe. Hozi nke nọ na Anambra State na ama igoku to Lagos. Nọ na Anambra State na ama igoku to Lagos. Una ahụ nọ ha wee na-ekele mụ na ana Igbo wonu ka o belong to. No ndị like la ana Igbo, no kafo ana Igbo n'anya. Mathias has followed, Evangelist Ebuka Obi has followed Mathias back to his father's land. Did you even see the crusade that happened in Enugu State yesterday? Wait, the update is coming your way. Go. Let us package that update in the best way. The campaign you receive your form. Even now, well, so Mathias, this is the time and the opportunity you have been looking for. Evangelist Ebuka Obi have given you that opportunity. Now a platter of gold by following you to your own father's land. Biana the train a move go land there na your own father's land. Go. Bia there, sit down and talk with him man to man. Ameyadizina anokwa na ke da draw obakwa plane na ile ya agba. So he's looking for you. Osere be Enugu. Not sure he sit one-on-one with you. Come problem, no? And I think this is the opportunity you have been looking for because Omorike Yafumo so is in Lagos eba. Game and if you bunisi and if you want to carry Mani you want an opportunity in Enugu now. You want an opportunity in Enugu. Even home advantage or what na football match only if you have home advantage. Go to Enugu and meet the man you have been calling his name all this while. Nuku mado toka nuku alusio. Andanya furugo yorugo. Makana ha fugo kwada. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. Go and meet with Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Go and encounter that man for just 10 minutes and see the way your life is going to change. Happy even the mother of Noketa. Go and meet. You know that thing with your problem. You know that thing with your problem. And we know. Yes. Forget about all this. We know that problem. I am that demon now tormenting. And you know what that demon is. Go and have an encounter with Evangelist Ebuka Obi live in Enugu State. Opportunity open for you. Go there, have an encounter one-on-one with him and see how your life and that demon that is tormenting you will go. Do me a favor. Why going there? Make sure nega with Chekube. Make sure nega there with Mazidibia. Make sure nega there with E-Head. Make sure nega there with Onyamuma Renji. Yes, make sure you got there with the Wise Man TV or the Wise TV. Ghana back, got experience here the greatest touch of your life, and you will thank me. You will thank me for being the person conveying this message. He came to Enugu to do something and also to have a one-on-one meeting with you. Don't chicken away. Go there because you need him. Chetako even babuombo anya furugo yolugo na ha fugo bada. All the lodge, the lodge nko, makana dari oji, wada and oji abro osisi anafo, wada. I just say make I tell you, share this video Mathias Ezeaku. See an ozi ahụ na-eme ozie odoko ya ga how many miles away we lute Lagos. No na-ezi ozi ahụ no live and direct na ben na ye na Enugu that he should just drive just few minutes to Enugu, just about 20-30 minutes from Anambra to Enugu. Go je fugo. That the ego has landed. See now na the ego has landed live na Enugu. Go. So bechakwa na akete na say jenu gba nwa baby virgin, jenu gba nwa baby virgin. Nwa baby virgin no na Enugu right now. You can go and pass that message to him yourself. Share this video. Go ozi ka ị na-ezi ezie m ozi muzie muzie ezie nya mana asị m je ebute n'isi agwa ha ụlọ na aka mmadụ. I am only but a messenger. Dalon.